Okay.
Aww.
What are you doing, you dope?
It's commando crawl.
Fuck you, man. I was sleeping.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Letting me the baby in it.
This is the last time I'm waking up today. Are you trying to get in the pouch?
I don't think koalas have pouches.
We could, yeah.
They do?
Marsupials. We could be in for a fight. They're vicious.
We should have brought in one of the cameras.
Oh shit, I should have got my fucking...
I'm sure they'll let you out and back in.
camera.
Do you have the keys?
Yeah,